Hey everyone, how's it going? And welcome to the Bods. A while back Ken spoke about a reward for the parents, the one teaching. And one of those rewards was a cappuccino. I did promise I was going to show you how to make a fantastic cappuccino. Got a couple of methods, I'm going to go through two basic ones. And let's hope that it can help you out. Firstly, we've got a machine over here that does the grinding and all of that for us. If you don't have that, and a frothing machine, and all you've got is perhaps one or two plungers, I'll show you exactly how to use those to get that fantastic cappuccino. So first things first, I'm going to take a spoon of the instant coffee and I'm going to place that into our first cup. Secondly, I'm going to take our second cup, just put it by the machine, push the button, and I'm going to start filling that mug up. While we're waiting for that to happen, I'm going to take the plunger, put about, I'll probably fill it 2/10 of the way up with some milk. And I'm going to pop this into the microwave for 30 seconds. Right, let's get this going. Thought by doing it that way, we'll get all the noise done at the same time. The microwave's running, the grinder's going, and all's good. While we're waiting for that to happen, I have got some boiled water over here, not boiling, just boiled. So where the instant coffee is, I'm going to pour that into the first cup. And I'm going to just take the spoon and give it a bit of a stir. I have put, in these size cups, I've filled them both about half. The other milk is ready as well. Right, so I'm going to put this back in the plunger. And what I'm now going to do is just activate this frother on this side. What we're going to do with the plunger now, the milk is slightly warmed, and we're just literally going to push the plunger in and out and put a bit of air in the milk. So we do that a couple of times, and you'll see that the level will rise. We just take the plunger part out, and in goes a wonderful frothy mixture. This froth over here is now done. We're obviously not going to get perfect patterns that you'd normally expect. And we put a bit of American fudge syrup on. If you'd like to add sugar, we don't really have sugar in our coffee, you can add that. But if I just bring them over to you and show you a little bit closer, there are our two fantastic cappuccinos. Thanks very much for joining us on the Bods. We're going to be putting a few more videos on a little bit later today about our mountain bike ride from 6 to 9. We were allowed out to exercise, a hike and a walk that Cans did, playing some Monopoly, some other games. If you've got any other suggestions or anything you'd like to hear from us, we'd love to hear from you in the comments. Please put a comment there just giving us some ideas. Any other tips that you'd like from us? We're also going to be doing some recipes, so watch out in the next couple of weeks. We're going to be showing you how to cook simple, healthy recipes. Easy peasy. And hopefully those will help you as well, just with the rush and things that are going on. Once again, please remember to hit the subscribe button. Have an awesome day, and we'll chat to you soon. Cheers.